For this video, I'm showing you this gorgeous convertible sofa bed. Now, when you first get this, it's gonna be vacuum sealed really tight. So you're gonna cut it open. It's gonna expand right away. Now, this is a floor style couch that can be set up in 5 different ways. It's 79 inches long, which makes it perfect for movie night if you are relaxing on the couch. And what's really nice is that this could fold out and become a full-size sleeping surface, and this is really comfortable. So whether you're lounging during the day or turning into a bed for guests or sleepovers, it easily fits 2 adults. Now, the material on here is a really soft corduroy, which just gives it a nice texture and really cozy look. It's also super breathable, so it doesn't trap heat, which I really appreciate. And the sponge inside is nice and firm. It gives you support while still feeling soft. And you feel totally relaxed just sitting, leaning back with the included 2 pillows. Now, one of my favorite things about this couch is just how versatile it is. You can adjust the armrest to fit your space, whether you want just a nice lounging setup or you want a cozy corner to just relax. It's also great for living rooms, bedrooms, or playrooms, especially if you want something low to the ground that's easy for your kids to jump on and off of. And what's really nice is the way that it was designed with the fixed shape frame and a non-slip pad underneath. So once you get this set up, it's gonna stay in place and it's not gonna shift around. I also love how it encourages that nice, cozy, relaxed vibe. So whether you're having game night with the kids, watching a movie, or just reading a book with a cup of tea, this is just one of those pieces that really makes the space feel warm and inviting. So if you're looking for a no-hassle couch that gives you that everyday flexibility, whether it's for everyday lounging, hosting guests, or just upgrading your space, this one's definitely worth checking out. It looks great, it feels amazing, and it's super easy to set up however you want it. Thanks for watching.